Okay, so we're taking a beating. Kind of a big beating. But you know what? It happens. We shorted AMC. We took a beating. We're holding. We have diamond hands on those call credit spreads. We're down a little bit today. Go ahead and look at it. I'll show you guys. I'm transparent. I show you guys everything. Right here, AMC. Down about $628 today. Not bad. Not great, not bad. But yeah. Opened up some more. They're a little messed up. They should be all call verticals. I don't know why there's a call butterfly. But essentially we have 27 28s, we have 22 23s, and we have 19 20s. So on the 19 20s, we're getting destroyed, obviously. The only ones that are looking good on are the 27 28s because it's sitting at 26. So this is not expected. I did not expect this to happen today. I thought today would have been the sell-off. We're a day late. But we doubled down. That's what happens. We doubled down. Well, tripled down, actually. You know? Sometimes you got to wait for reality to kick in. It will happen eventually. It will happen. I'm not too worried about it. But I want to talk to you guys because I got a lot of hate in the comments. A lot of hate. And I understand that. You know, I understand if you're in a stock and someone's going against that stock, there tends to be bad blood. I'm not trying to do bad blood. I'm simply an investor. At the end of the day, we're all trying to make money. You're buying AMC. You're not buying AMC to stick it to the man or whatever. You're buying it to make money. That's the only reason you invest in the market, is to make money. It's pretty simple. So obviously, eventually people are going to sell. This is well-known knowledge. Once people start selling, you can call them your friends. You can call them the gang or whatever. They're against you then. Once they start selling, they're against you. People will sell once they get up. No one is just going to hold it forever. That's just, I mean, some people might. They might be stupid enough to do that. But no one is just going to hold this thing thinking eventually it's going to hit like $100 or something like that, or 100,000, like they like to say. That's not going to happen. So we're all in this to make money. I'm in this to make money. You're in this to make money. I like making entertainment as well, but that's a separate issue. But at the end of the day, we're trying to make money. So I understand if you guys are, very anti me, and I get that. I just ask you to have an open mind. You can say whatever you want about me. I would hope people say good things, but at the end of the day, I can't control people. And I do me. I do what I believe is the best. I do what I believe is the right thing. If you don't like that, I respect that. I totally understand that, and I respect that. But just have an open mind. At the end of the day, like I said, we're all investors. Whether you're buying calls or buying puts, it doesn't really matter. We're all in this to make money. So I asked if you guys, even enjoy these videos at all, just like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Because at the end of the day, I love doing YouTube. I love helping out, talking to people about different stuff. And, that's why I'm obviously I'm only going in about like 2% of my entire account in this position. If it works out, okay, awesome. If it doesn't, all right, at least 2%, nothing too big, nothing too crazy. At the end of the day, we can make that money back. But guys, I really hope you do enjoy these videos that I make. But aside from all that, let's try to be civil in the comments to some of the other people. Like I said, if it's against me, that's fine. But some of the other people, let's not try to be too mean to others. So, anyways, guys, let's talk about this short. So what happened today? Hype. If you were watching on stock twits today, this thing was going crazy. Every like 0.001 seconds, a new message was coming. I see people buying at like $29 a share. I was like, holy crap. Some guy was complaining he was already down like 3% or something. I don't know how you're already down on this, but obviously it's very overbought. It's based on hype, not fundamentals. We talked about that in the last video. A $12 billion market cap for a company that loses a fortune, has no future, and will continue to fall. Just look at the fundamentals. It's nothing to see. But guys, why did I choose to do this position? Why did I choose to short GameStop with call credit spreads rather than puts? Well, one, puts have a very high implied volatility. So if it's a super high implied volatility, the stock needs to move a lot for that option to move. So I don't want to do that because in case it stands still, I will lose money. I don't want to do that. So I did call credit spreads thinking I was safe. I did this when it was like 14. So We were very, very early on that. But essentially, if AMC is under, $19 by expiration, we'll make full profit on that. Anytime that you see the strike price, for instance, the 27.28, like I said, it's messed up a little bit, but if it's under 27, you make full profit. So I don't need it to go down. I just need it not to go up anymore. For some of these, I do need it to go down. For the 22s and obviously the 19s, I need it to go down significantly. But I didn't have this in my head when this happened. But that's essentially what we're looking for in these trades. Obviously, AMC's biggest loser today. Kind of sad that Apple and Amazon were down today, but oh well. But essentially, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to play it smart in the best way that I know how. And I think that I can make actually pretty good profit on this. Like I said, the most you can lose from this, $1,000 from this, obviously not good at all. We don't like that, but we have a good probability of profit. A 70% chance for this particular one. Some of the other ones we're not looking too hot on. The 19s and the 20s. We're already down a lot on this, and we only have, we're down a lot. 27% chance for maximum profit, 28% chance for any profit, and a 68% chance for a max loss. Max loss coming in at about $400. Big loss. We don't want to take that, but we'll see what happens. Right now, we're only down, 235, so there's no point even selling now. But again, these are out of position. I don't know why they're like this. We're not a fan of that at all. But again, I'll have to figure out how to do it. But that's like $2,000, $3,000, a little over $3,000 on the line, minus the premium we got, so we can lose about a little over $2,000. Obviously, we don't want to do that at all. We really don't want to do that at all. But it's one of those things that happens, guys. Again, I'm trying to be transparent with you. I'm trying to show you guys the risks of all this. We're still doing pretty good overall. Still well above six figures. We weren't even looking at last year. We weren't even close to that. So, hanging our heads high and hoping for the best. Hedging ourselves, trying to do what we can to make money, and that's really about it. At the end of the day, AMC's up a lot. I see people starting to sell off. People start taking profits. And once that happens, it's over. It's going to cause a massive, massive collapse. You'll see once the sellers come, it is over. They will sell and sell and sell, and it'll just like what happened a couple months ago. It shoots up big. We see this exact same thing. Shoots up massive. What happens? The sellers come in and they sell everything and drop it all the way down. That's how these things work. Once the hype dies, that's what happens. So, guys, I don't really know what else much more to say. This is what I'm doing. This is the position that I'm in. Respect it or not, hate it or love it, but that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to be a smart investor, trying to make money for myself. Right now, we're at extreme high RSI. At basically the highest it's ever been, second highest compared to right here. I think it ends bad. I really do. I really am worried about this. Stock crashing. That's why we're shorting it. So, we'll see what happens. But at the end of the day, this is what we're doing, and may the best man or woman win. Hopefully, I win. That's always a good sign. But we'll see. But anyways, guys, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. The best news is we're alive, we're healthy, and we're gonna go ahead and try to make profit from this. So. It failed to break $30 today. It failed hard and dropped about 10% since then. I think tomorrow is another sell-off. Might try to start up in the beginning of the day. The Wall Street Bet people who haven't got in, which is not many people. Everyone who wants to get in has basically already gotten into the stock. And then the sellers come in, they start taking profits, and then it just becomes a house of cards and it crashes really fast. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Let me know your thoughts on this. Come and chat in the Discord with me about it if you want to. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And take it easy, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.